Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastav and I am a faculty of US Academy Institute, Gorakhpur. How are you students? I hope you are doing well in your studies. Today we will discuss our English grammar and the topic is articles. Very easy chapter this is and this is very easy to understand also. Let's see about articles. Articles are words used to qualify nouns. They are part of determiners. For example, I bought an English story book. He went to Delhi to see the Lal Killa. Have a cup of tea. The sun rises in the east. The third locker is mine. So, in this chapter, we will learn about two kinds of articles, that is definite article and indefinite articles. So many rules are there how to use definite articles and indefinite articles. In definite articles, we always use the, and in indefinite articles, we use a or an. So, what are the rules? Let's see. What are the basic rules to use these articles? First, we will see where we can use the indefinite articles, that is a and an. First rule is a common noun in the singular number always requires an article before it. I hope you will be well knowing about noun number. That was our previous chapter. But a plural common noun does not require an article always. A plural common noun can have the article the if we want to particularize the noun. For example, I saw a snake. That means it is referring to a random snake. That's why we are using a snake. I saw snakes in a zoo. So there is no article is required. I have seen the snake again. Refers to the snake I have already seen earlier. That means जो snake आपने पहले देखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे उसी स्नेक को दोबारा देखने की बात हो रही है. I have seen the snake again before leaving the zoo. Refers the particular snakes of the zoo which I saw earlier. उस पर्टिकुलर स्नेक को दोबारा जू में देखने की बात यहाँ पे हो रही है. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट इन हिंदी जस्ट बिकॉज it will be easy for class 5 students. And rule 2, the choice between the two indefinite articles, that is a and an, is determined by sound. So we decide to choose what we have to use according to the sound of the given noun. Word beginning with consonant sounds precede a, and words beginning with vowel sound precede an. There are some specific cases also. For example, a university, a union, a useful book. All words are starting with vowel, but we will use a, not an, just because it is specific use. A $1 note, a one man army, etc. And before any abbreviation we always use an MA, a BA, an LLB, a BSc, etc. And now rule 3, a or an sometimes makes a proper noun a common noun. Proper noun generally do not take any article, but when a proper noun needs to be used as a common noun, we must bring a or an before it. For example, he thinks he is a Shakespeare. So students, here Shakespeare does not refer to the actual person that was a poet and writer, but someone like him. He seems to be an Australian. Australia is proper noun, but Australian is a common noun because there is only one Australia, but a million of Australians are there. And now, rule number 4. Sometimes indefinite articles are used to refer the number one, each, and per. For example, I earned $1,000 in that job. $1,000. I have a car. That means one car. It goes 50 miles an hour. That means per hour. Rule number 5 is indefinite articles often precedes descriptive adjectives. That is, he is a good boy. What a nice car. So, let's revise one more time. Use of indefinite article a and an. A is used before the word begins with the sound of consonants, and an is used before the words begin with sound of vowels, like an umbrella, an honest man, an ice cream, a chocolate. And one more thing is there, omission of articles. We will discuss it after discussing definite articles. So let's see what are the uses of definite articles. The is used to indicate a particular person or thing in case of common nouns. Proper nouns generally do not take an article. We can't say the Delhi, the Amitabh Bachchan. So, for more examples, we can take the man is running. That means a particular man is running. I saw the boy stealing. We are talking about a particular boy. Where is the pen I gave you last year? I gave him a ball, but he lost the ball. A ball because the ball in the second clause, because the ball was not a random ball anymore. And rule 2. Sometimes the is used to generalize a group, whole class. Example, the dog is a faithful animal. So we are talking about all dogs. Refers to the whole species of dog. The English are industrious. Refers to the people of England as a nation. We are talking about people of England. The honest are respected. That means here it is, the is used with adjective and it is plural noun also. The poor are not always dishonest. Again it is use of the plus adjective and it is plural noun. Rule 3 is to particularize a non-count noun. The is required before it. Examples: the water of the Arctic Ocean is freezing. Please return the money I lent you last year. So let's revise one more time all the rules. The is used before a definite noun, that is a particular noun, and before a repeated noun, that is a boy ran on the road yesterday. The boy was thief. We are talking a particular boy that was running. And before a singular noun, that is used to indicate a whole class. The lion is a king of animal, or the dog is a faithful animal. Before names of seas, rivers, ocean, group of island, mountains, plural names of countries, names of countries, names of nations, adjective, we always use the. That is, the Atlantic Ocean, the Taj Mahal, the moon, the sun, the Ganga, the Ramayana, and many more are there. Let's see one more time. Use of the before geographical places. Geographical places means like river, mountain, hill, specific things, etc. So using the with geographical nouns generally depends on the plurality of the things. Those nouns refer to the is generally used everywhere except some cases. So it is better known the exceptions first. Exceptions means हम कहाँ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं उसको देखते हैं. The must not precede names of continents. Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, South America, North America, etc. Name of countries and name of states. Name of singular lakes and bays. Name of single mountains. The single islands. Name of language. There we will not use any article, that is use of the is omission here. Name of any sport. Name of disciple subjects of studies. And the is a widely used article in English except for the mentioned above and proper nouns. The is used before almost the nouns which mean something definite particulars. So the must precede name of ocean, gulf, seas, river and many more. Name of countries, name of great lakes before a qualified noun, and we will use the before unique things also, that is the sun, the moon, the stars. Before the names of ships, trains, newspapers, historical monuments, institution, etc. like the Times of India, the Nauchandi Express, the Taj Mahal, the Lal Killa. So many more are there. And now omission of articles, that means where we do not have to use articles. First is before common noun used in widest sense. For example, mother is the first teacher of child, so there is no need to use article. Before abstract nouns used generally. For example, honesty is best policy. No article is required here. Before proper noun. So before any proper noun there is no need of article. Before materials nouns. For example, gold is the most valuable metals. Before names of metals, gems, languages, market and titles, there is no need to use articles. And one important thing is articles are kind of adjectives as they qualify the nouns. So students, that's all. That was all about articles. We will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care.